Kalamazoo? Chef and resident dietitian Kirsten Strong here, along with our executive chef Josh Kirby. For this month's Excelsior recipe rundown, we're going to be doing a mock White Castle slider burger recipe. That's right, we know we don't have White Castle here in Kalamazoo, so we're not going to miss out. We're going to show you how to make a pretty good copycat recipe. But since this is the first thing we're going to be making in the new kitchen, we're going to do a quick sneak peek of the new facility before we start the recipe. All right, let's do it.
Ooh la la.